Hey everybody, it's Jocelyn and Giovanni here. Say hi. We are so excited to put this new home on the market in Roseland, New Jersey at 11 2nd Ave. We just went on the market and I can't wait to show you this home. It's so beautiful inside, completely renovated, and I love the location. You're just one block from the New York City bus. You're right by Starbucks and a bunch of shopping. It's a quiet street, and Roseland is known for their great schools. Oh, I got a hug out of it. So let's go inside. Giovanni's gonna help us on our tour, right? So let's go. Welcome to the first floor of this beautiful home. The kitchen has been completely renovated. It's so modern and I just love how big it is. You have a center island, a full formal dining room with gorgeous woodwork, living room, and a huge bedroom with a full bathroom. So you have a lot on this level that you can basically just live on this level and have everything that you need. And it walks right out to the backyard, which I can't wait to show you that too. So come on, let's go. See, let's go up, up. Some of the special features of this home is it has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath. And you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. The basement is finished and it's perfect for a home office, a rec room. It's great for movie nights, and it has a powder room. So if you're entertaining, everyone can just hang out down there. So let's go take a look at more of this beautiful home. So now we are in the spacious backyard with beautiful greenery, lots of privacy, and this awesome fire pit that Giovanni is showing us right now.
Share this video and like, follow, subscribe. If you know anyone who wants to make a move, contact us and we will help you out.
Thank you so much for coming on the tour. Say thanks for giving us the tour. We'll see you guys soon.